So, I mean, obviously there is a difference. There's no code and there's low code. Low code being there is an element of coding in there. So you do have to be a trained developer or have some sort of formal training around that area to be able to create applications using those type of platforms.
Yeah, the concept of low code effectively is building upon conventional programming. In the early 2000s, you'd be writing in a conventional programming language, C, C++, Java, and you would actually have packages of software that would actually then mean that you didn't have to write as much. So these are reusable libraries. And so the concept of low code, meaning actually those libraries exist, have been around for a long time. What's happening now is that those libraries are getting surfaced and delivered in the cloud. And you need to understand how to interface and call those libraries. And those modules typically require that actually you're using JavaScript or a high-level programming language to actually then communicate to that, understand about how to pass data, get the data back, security. So suddenly, very quickly, you're becoming a programmer. And the reason why no code and low code has such a big difference behind it is the fact that with no code, you really don't have to understand any paradigms around programming stacks, variables, APIs, networking. The tooling actually helps you build an application. As soon as you start walking into a low code environment, you're basically starting to form a team member for the actual developer or DevOps, because you're still programming, and you're programming in JavaScript or some similar sort of language. So again, no code and low code sounds very similar, but there's a distinct difference and benefit to an organization that invests in a no code platform that helps them scale at enterprise.